In this problem, we want to factor it completely, if possible. If not possible, write not factorable. So let's first refresh our memory on our factoring techniques. Our first method is GCF, and that stands for greatest common factor. Our second method will be grouping, and this is used when you got 4 or more terms. Our third method is PSD, and that's when you got the form x squared plus bx plus c. The fourth method is the key number, and that's when you got the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Our fifth method is dots, and that stands for difference of 2 squares, and that's when you got 2 terms with a minus between them. And then our sixth method is difference of 2 cubes, and that's when you got 2 terms with a minus between them. Then our seventh one is the sum of 2 cubes. And this is when you got 2 terms with a plus between them. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem here. We have a squared minus 2ab minus 24b squared. Okay, first method, GCF. Well, some of these have A's, some of them have B's, but all 3 terms have nothing in common, so there's no GCF. Grouping is 4 more terms. Well, this is 3 terms. Now, PSD, I said it's x squared, x, no x, and no number before the x squared. But it doesn't have to be x, it can be any variable. Notice here we have a squared, no number in front of our a squared. This would be the PSD method. Now, the PSD method, we take the number at the end, ignoring signs, so we'll be working with 24. Then we'll come up with our 3 columns. We have the P column, our products. All the products give us 24. We got 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. The S column, S for sum. We want to add these together. 1 plus 24 is 25. 2 plus 12 is 14. 3 plus 8 is 11. 4 plus 6 is 10. D column, D for difference. Subtract smaller from larger. 24 minus 1 is 23. 12 minus 2 is 10. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 2, which is right here, which means we use 4 and 6. So I got A4 and A6. Now, our larger number in the P column we're using 4 and 6, so our larger one is a 6, will always be the same sign as the middle term. Middle term in this problem is a negative, so we're going to have a negative 6. Number with circles in a difference column, D for different signs, means one will be positive, one will be negative. If the 6 is negative, then the 4 will be positive. Now, how you handle these extra B's is you simply put a B here and B here. And that's your answer. Now, let me briefly talk about why you just put a B there. When we're factoring, we put an A here and A here. And the reason why is because we had A squared, A, no A. And if we were to FOIL it, multiply it back, it comes out, works out that way. We'll go on in reverse. We have B squared, B, no B, and that's why we put B here and B here. But anyway, that's our answer.